Hey guys, thanks for stopping by today. Yep, it's SmokinSteve underneath this straw hat. Bet you didn't recognize me, right? But it's been hot here in Florida, 90 degrees plus every day, and it's humid. Just got a haircut and didn't want to scorch this bald head of mine, so we're wearing this new straw hat. It'll come in handy when I'm out here mowing the grass and doing the bush trimming, stuff like that. But today we're going to be cooking up a pizza. We're going to be doing a barbecue chicken pizza out here on the Bullseye. And we're going to get this thing all prepped up and show you how we do it here at SmokinSteve's. So let's get started. Okay guys, we're going to start out with this chicken breast here. What this is, we bought a rotisserie chicken at Costco's and we've eaten off of it twice and have this left over, so we're going to cut this up into little chunks and be using that on the pizza. And you can use fresh chicken or whatever you want, but that's what we're using today. Okay, I got that chicken breast all cut up, and this is quite a bit of chicken, really. These Costco chickens, rotisserie chickens, are really a good buy. You can eat off of them several times, and we may have enough here to do our pizza and some left over for some tacos maybe tomorrow. So let's get this thing built up and see what we got. Okay, here's our other ingredients other than the chicken. We got some mushrooms we're going to slice up here, and red pepper, a little bit of onion, some grated cheese, and we're going to cap it off with some mozzarella. So I'm going to get to cutting and get this stuff diced up and ready to rock and roll. Okay, we got everything ready to go. Everything cut up. Got our mushrooms, red pepper, grated cheese or onions. Star of the show, our rotisserie chicken, and mozzarella cheese to top it off with, and we're using a base of the Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue sauce. And we're going to get that Bobby Flay crust out and get this thing built up. Okay, we got some parchment paper here, and we got a little cornmeal spread out on that. And we're going to put our dough right on top of this and get it rolled out. Here's our Bobby Flay dough. Big ball of it here. We're going to get this thing rolled out flat and put our toppings on. Okay, we've started our build here. We got our chicken on there, our mushrooms, red peppers, and onions. And if you noticed, we cut this parchment paper here a little bit bigger than the dough itself. If you let that overhang the pizza stone, it's going to catch on fire. So let's go ahead and get this cheese put on, and she should be ready to go. Before we start putting that cheese on, I'm going to go ahead and put a little coat of Dizzy Pig Dizzy Dust, all-purpose barbecue rub on there. Should kick it up a notch or two. Okay, it's starting to come together here. We got our grated cheese on. We're putting some of the mozzarella on top. There we have it. So we're gonna get that Bullseye heated up to about 450, and we'll be cooking with Bear Mountain Gourmet Blend pellets today. Here's my new build on this Bullseye. I'm loving this thing. Be sure to check out this cart at DRGcustomcarts.com. You're gonna love it. Sure, check them out. So we're gonna go ahead and get our pizza stone in here. You want to preheat the stone before you put the pizza in. So we're gonna go ahead and get that in here, close the lid, and get this thing fired up. And we're gonna get it set on 450 degrees. And we'll go over to actual temperature. It shows 90 degrees in the grill. So once that gets heated up to 450, we'll go ahead and put that pizza on. Okay, this grill temperature's been up to about 450 for about 15 minutes or so. We're letting that stone get preheated, and we're ready to put our pizza on. So putting it on this parchment paper makes for an easy transfer both on and off the pizza stone. Okay, so we'll get this lid closed and let it cook. And the trick is to keep an eye on it. We want to get that crust kind of a golden brown underneath there, kind of crispy for us, and also the cheese a golden brown. So hopefully we can get that cheese a golden brown before the crust burns. So that's what we're shooting for. Okay, here it is. That cheese is getting nice and golden brown. Let's go ahead and take a look at the bottom of it if we can. Looks like it's getting a little brown underneath there. So I'm going to close the lid, let it cook for another minute or so, and then take it inside and be doing a taste test. Okay guys, got this pizza inside. It's really smelling good. That barbecue sauce on there, really smelling good. And the cheese got nice and brown for us. The back side of the crust, brown. We're gonna be doing a taste test here. Let's see what it's like. That's really good. Guys, it doesn't matter what you top it with, whether it be chicken, barbecue, sauce, you know, use a tomato paste, use pulled pork, ground beef, pepperoni, whatever. But it's good out there on that grill. Guys, give it a shot. You won't be sorry. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Hope to see you on the next one.